You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce once and for all this phrase, surgical technique, better known as the C-section. Of course, the first word here is the confusing one, Cesarean. So that's your English pronunciation here. Both British and American English pronunciations, I believe, are similar here. Cesarean section. Yes, there's going to be different spellings. Sometimes it's spelled with C-A-E at the beginning. So some may say it also as Caesarean, but it's generally Cesarean section. How do you pronounce it yourself? Let us know. Let everybody know in the comments. Cesarean section. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.